Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago with 2 1/4, 120 film, reversal film, analog age, and this is my subject today, and I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Let's get started. Make something interesting, something exciting image. I'm gonna check changing blend mode first, then find out something interesting image. Let's see, change blend mode to, interesting color. This is nice. Luminosity, pretty interesting. Well, I'm gonna make this image fixed. Select multiple, then 1, 2. Now duplicate layers and merge selected to get one image. Now I want to rename all 3 layers. Alright, I changed all the names. This is original. Next one is luminosity. Oops, what's this? Oh, okay. Blend mode, bring back to normal. So this is pencil drawing type image. Then I made luminosity effect layer. Okay. Now I'm gonna make some kind of illustration type image from these 3 layers. Now this luminosity effect layer is gonna be the base image. So I'm gonna move this one down all the way bottom. Then let's see, turn it off, this pencil drawing type image now. Then about this original image, create empty mask. Now invert mask. I'm gonna use the brush. I want to reveal this with, what's the brush I used the last time? Oh, there we go. Roughing brush. Not interesting. Well, I just want to see, I want to darken this image, so I'm going to duplicate layer, then this one turn into change blend mode to multiply, so it goes darker. Now I see this original image again, turn it on. Mask density 100, opacity 100. Now the darker image here, but there's much making on the mask. Okay, how about select multiple, then duplicate layers. Now I'm gonna merge down, merge selected to get one image, then move this one, go up to original image. Now let's see, turn this original image mask density 0. Then I'm gonna make mask, create empty mask. Then hide this one now. Okay, let me try again. Same brush, roughing brush. I thought this, okay. Okay, I'm gonna add layer over this. Then, okay, this is blend mode normal. Then I'm using same brush, roughing brush. I want to try this. Okay, this is color, right? I'm gonna add another layer over this original image. Then I will change this one to color blend mode. Then I want to add some blue. Let's see if I see the color cast. And red. Let me see. Let me move this layer on over this. Doesn't make any difference. Okay, these two layers are color, and one is color blend mode, and this one is add some texture with this blue and magenta color. Okay, this is painting. This one is only color information. Give us to the density over shadow area. About here too. Well, I want to add some pastel colors on this normal blend mode. Well, about this now. Okay, tone down. How about if I tone down this hair area? Okay, let me try that. Hide with brush, same roughing brush. Let me see. Then add brown. I'm changing her hair color to brown, make it a little bit lighter. Okay, I'm gonna add the pastel blue and pastel pink. Well, I guess that's it. Just tried. Yeah, some kind of experimental work this time. Well, I think that's it for today. Well, thank you, and thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. Well, tried hard, but this is it. Thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.